Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of TV carts, and I'm excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best option out there. Introducing the Perlegear mobile TV cart, designed to provide versatility, stability, and convenience for your home or office entertainment setup. Let's delve into what makes this TV cart stand out from the rest. First off, versatility. Whether you have a tight living space or want to move your TV from room to room, this rolling TV stand has you covered. It's perfect for various environments, including workout rooms, offices, schools, and more. But what about compatibility? Well, the Perlegear mobile TV cart accommodates TVs ranging from 32 to 80 inches, supporting flat or curved, LED, LCD, or OLED screens. Plus, it's compatible with most major TV brands, so you can trust it to work seamlessly with your setup. Now, let's talk about adjustability. With adjustable height settings for both the TV plate and the AV shelf, you can customize the viewing experience to your liking. Whether you're standing or sitting, you'll find the perfect angle for your TV. Stability is crucial when it comes to TV carts, and the Perlegear mobile TV cart doesn't disappoint. Its sturdy steel construction, reinforced dual columns, and wide base ensure your TV stays securely in place, even when rolling it around. And let's not forget about convenience. The integrated AV shelf provides extra storage for your soundbar, DVD player, gaming consoles, and more. Plus, the smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver on any surface. In conclusion, the Perlegear mobile TV cart ticks all the boxes for what you'd want in a TV cart: versatility, compatibility, adjustability, stability, and convenience. Whether you're looking to optimize your living space or enhance your entertainment setup, this cart has you covered. And there you have it, folks. The Perlegear mobile TV cart, the best TV cart for flat-screen TVs available in the market. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!